Hello and welcome to Locks, your go-to place for trendy hairstyle inspiration. Today, we are diving into the world of Afro hairstyles, Afro pops, Afro kinky styles, and creative ways to rock your natural hair. Whether you are looking for an everyday look, a classy updo, or something bold and unique, this video got you covered. The Afro pop is a simple yet elegant style that never goes out of fashion. You can wear it high for a chic and confident look, or low for a more relaxed, effortless vibe. Add some sleek edges with gel or play around with accessories like headbands, clips, or scarves to elevate the style. Next, let's talk about Afro Kinky styles. If you love volume and texture, this style is for you. You can do a kinky twist out for defined curls, a kinky bun for a stylish and protective updo, or rock a full kinky afro for that bold and confident queen energy. The key is moisture. Keep your hair hydrated with leave-in conditioners and natural oils to maintain that beautiful bounce. Finally, let's explore other creative ways to style your afro with natural hairstyles. Try the Afro Mohawk for an edgy vibe, Afro Space Buns for a playful look, or a side-parted afro for that classic elegant feel. Don't forget to experiment with cornrows, flat twists, or even bantu knots to switch things up. There you have it, stunning Afro pops, Afro kinky and natural hairstyle ideas to keep your hair game strong. Which one of the style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hairstyle inspirations. See you in